everybody, welcome to my video today, you guys. Today I wanted to share with you guys the swap cards for my team. So yesterday you guys got to see the card that I made for them, and then today I wanted to share with you the cards that everybody did. So I also want to share with you guys that Stampin' Up! Has a promotion right now where you can join Stampin' Up! And you get an entire set of ink pads of your choice. So you get either the subtles, that's what these are right here, the brights, the regals, or the neutrals. You get to pick. So when you join, you spend $99. You get to pick out $125 in product. So basically you get $25 of product for free, and then you get to pick out your ink pads, your set of ink pads, and it's all going to ship to you for free. So it is such an amazing time to join Stampin' Up, and I would love for you to join my team. So I thought I would share with you guys. I wasn't intending to share so quickly, but I was able to get everybody's swap cards together and then sent out to them. So it just so happened that I get to share with you guys these cards today. So what I'm going to do is just go through and show you all the cards. They're all gorgeous. I love every single one that was done. And then I will let you know who made the card if it is on here. So this one is from Heather. Yes, so this one Heather made, and I love it. I love that she picked this product to use. This is the stitched label, and then the little heart is my favorite on here. This one is from Jen. She used the daisy items. This one is from Chris, and I have a feeling, yep, look at this, you guys. Chris is amazing. Hers are always super fancy. I love this. She used the tea product on here. I'll show you guys mine. This one I loved. I loved all of these. This was from Shanty. I hope I'm saying her name right. I never know if I am or not. But she did some embossing with copper embossing powder. I love it. It's so gorgeous. This Twinkle Twinkle paper is so, so cute. And she even included an envelope. So thank you so much for including an envelope. This is from Kathy. She was so worried about this card. Can you guys believe it? She was so worried that this was not going to be nice enough for our swap. And look at how gorgeous it is. I love the gorgeous grape and the gray together. And then she used varied vases. This, I'm not sure who this one was from. This one used the Share What You Love product. This one is from Debbie. I kept all the ones that came with little cards. And it's this side pulls out like this, and this was using the detailed, something detailed. I'll put it up on the bottom of the screen, you guys. This is using the Animal Outing. I want to say that this may have been Roberta, but I'm not sure. I'm not positive. So there's this one right here. I'm almost positive this was Roberta. And then there was this one, which was done by Mary. I love Mary. She did this one. She used that same Share What You Love. And then I did the flamingo card. I included this card right here, which you guys saw me make, and then this card as well because I had a ton of them, and I just wanted everybody to have a lot of cards. So that was our team swap cards. You can go over to my website, and you will see photos of all of these cards, and then also you will see a place that you can join. There's a link in the YouTube description below if you would like to join Stampin' Up! Right now. I would love to have you. We have a great time on our team. We have an exclusive Facebook page because most of my team members are all over the US. I'm just now starting to have some team members that are in person, which is really fun. So I would love for you to join regardless of whether you live close to me or you are in another state. We have our weekly Mix It Up Monday where we have card sketches and color combos. We have a monthly meeting. We have creative rallies. and Tackle It Tuesdays. We just have a lot of fun. So if you have any questions, please let me know, but I would love to have you join. So I hope you're having a great day, and I'll be back tomorrow to share some Memory Keeping Friday, which I haven't got to do in a while. So make sure you stop back by here tomorrow for some Memory Keeping Friday. I hope you guys are having a great Thursday, and I'll talk to you guys later. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today and watching my videos. Here are 2 other of my most recent videos. I would love for you guys to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will catch you in my next video. I hope you all have a wonderful day.